Hey friends, welcome to today's video. It's me, Tony J, but please call me Tony. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be washing out this silk press that we did with the Doux Press Play collection. Yes, it's only been in for a little bit under a week, but my scalp was so dry and so flaky. And I said, you know what? I'm getting rid of the idea that we've been taught that we got to hold on to our hairstyle because we don't. We can literally shampoo our hair up to twice a week with no repercussion. I left in the full clip of me wetting my hair down so that you can see how long it takes natural hair to really revert. You'll also be getting a 2-for-1 in this video because I'm going to share my updated thoughts on the Cecred product line as I use it to wash this out and see if my thoughts have changed or if they stay the same. This will also give me an opportunity to try the Rice and Rose Ritual treatment that they have because I didn't get to try it before. Like I said, my hair isn't damaged, so there was no point in using it. But when you wash out your silk presses, it never hurts to give a little bit of protein treatment. But if you are a straight natural, as in like you're getting your hair pressed every 2 weeks, yeah, skip the protein treatment on 2 or 3 of those appointments. So to fully saturate my hair and see the curls bounce back, I think it was only about 2 minutes, which is great because when you're wetting it down to see those curls pop back, I swear it feels like at least 5. With the Doux Press Play line, while it does have high quality silicone in it, I could still feel a little bit of coating when I wet my hair down. Now, that could be from the 30-day silent treatment. Well, I take that back. It's probably from all the products because they contain silicone from start to finish. And then the 30-day silent treatment product is that like sealant. Now we're going to go in with the Clarifying Scalp and Scrub Shampoo by Cecred. This is still one of my favorite products in the collection. However, I will say I would appreciate this product more if they split it into 2 products. Here's why. The scrub is natural, which is amazing. But that means that it completely breaks down in water within seconds. So I really don't get to enjoy that scrub feeling. Like I don't know what that felt like against my skin. Also, if you apply this shampoo directly to the scalp, you end up using a lot of product at once. Now, I did find a hack for that, which was instead of me applying it to my scalp on the first shampoo, I did 2 clarifying shampoos. The first one I squeezed in my hand and applied like regular shampoo. And the second one I applied to the scalp. So because my scalp was already wet and slightly cleansed, it was able to lather and move around a lot quicker without using as much product. I will say I love the smell and I love how this works. But I do, personally, I wish that it tingled a little bit or had that refreshed scalp. I can feel the breeze in my follicles type feel. But I can understand why they didn't include that. And that's because everybody doesn't like that. So you're better off playing it safe. For this product line to not have any like aggressive, typically slandered ingredients in it, it did wash out something like the Doux with silicones pretty well. I will say by the end of it, I felt like there was a little bit of silicone left in my hair, but it didn't feel like it had the same level of coating as when I first went down my hair, if that makes sense. Sorry, y'all. My dog is asleep on my lap as I'm filming this, so you're likely to hear her snore like she just said, and again. So here I'm going in with the Cecred Dry and Itchy Scalp Shampoo. And this has nothing to do with the review, obviously, or the update on this video. I use it again because I have flaky scalp. But this shampoo is not what it used to be. I don't know if they changed the formulation because ingredients got expensive, or if they were afraid of like the anti-everything bandits. So they changed the formulation, but this doesn't tingle like it used to. It's not refreshing like it used to. It doesn't have that menthol that makes your scalp feel treated. Then I went in with the Hydrating Shampoo by Cecred. I still believe that it's nothing special. I didn't say it's bad, and I'm not saying it's not good. But there are other products that do the same thing. If you haven't discovered that and you feel like the price point is justified, buy it. If you feel like because it contains hyaluronic acid and you like that perk, buy it. But there are other shampoos that do the same thing. So then I mixed up the Rice and Rose Ritual Treatment. You have to put step 1 into warm water and shake that thing like your life depends on it until it breaks down. Now, I didn't have an applicator bottle. Highly, highly recommend an applicator bottle because it's going to run everywhere. As you see, I applied it to my hair, pouring it at first, and then I thought to myself, well, maybe let's try the pump. That ended real quick. The pump didn't work out because if you know anything past elementary school science, you know that it's going to clog the pump, which clearly I didn't think about. So here we are. In this moment, well, I thought this when I first read the instructions, that I wish it didn't require so much water. And I said that in my first review, that there are products out here that don't require so much dilution or so much product use. And I think this is because maybe it's it is concentrated. And so that it requires that amount of water. And I'm also thinking they did those measurements for girls who have thick and long hair, since this is a brand for everybody. But I wish they had cut this maybe in half. So 5-gram packet of step 1, and then 12 ounces of warm water instead of 24 ounces of warm water. And then people who have a lot of hair could just use 2 packets instead of us feeling like we wasted it. Then I went in with step 2, which is essentially the silk rinse. I think this is the rose portion of the rice and rose treatment. So step 1, the fermented rice being the protein, and step 2, the rose or the silk rinse being the moisturizer. This product didn't really make my hair feel hydrated. So I mean, it might work for people with maybe up to a type 3 texture, but if you're type 4, this one I don't think will do much for you. Then after that, I decided to give my moisturizing deep conditioner a try and see if that could be a quick rinse out conditioner. I like it. It suds again, so it works on wet hair, but you definitely need to leave it in as a deep conditioner. That doesn't make it wrong. I was just testing it out. I will say that I love washing hair after a silk press just because this is the least amount of tangles that you're ever going to get. Because it's just reverting from straight to curly, it doesn't tangle too bad. So I worked that conditioner through to see again if it would work as an instant conditioner. I love the feeling of it. And actually, I don't have any problems working it through when my hair is wet, if like when you follow instructions. But definitely a deep conditioner, not an instant conditioner. And I still used a lot of it to work through my hair. So on the slip claim, I can still see that it's really not a lot of slip. You're going to use quite a bit of it. While I'm impatiently waiting, let me say this. No product is going to be the Jesus of heat protection. Ingredients are formulated to disperse the heat molecules from your tools. However, a lot of it depends on your technique. So if you flat iron too slow or you're holding it tightly to curl too long, you can still sustain some heat damage. Of course, that can also happen if the flat iron is turned up too high. So gauge it based on your density and the strength and thickness of your strands. Most people, I recommend staying under 415. So I got impatient and left it in for maybe 2 minutes tops and then rinsed it out, which is why I said I tested it as an instant conditioner. Typically, if you shower and wash your hair at the same time, I always tell people to shampoo, condition, let the conditioner sit while you shave or wash your body, and then rinse the conditioner out. Now, of course, you don't want products running down your body, so hopefully you have a detachable shower head where you just flip your head over and rinse it out. Otherwise, you might have to double cleanse, which ain't nothing wrong with having an extra clean body. Also, I decided to give my combination from my YouTube shorts another try. You also saw this on Instagram where I did the moisturizing milk with the Doux foam, curl enhancing foam. I can't remember the name of it. And Camille Rose Curl Maker. I did about 10 pumps of the foam first on soaking wet hair. Then I did the moisturizing lotion. I'm pretty sure you can do this in either sequence. I smelled the moisturizing lotion and I don't remember it smelling that good. So I mentioned in the first video that I hate florals and there was a strong floral scent. There is a strong floral scent in the hydrating shampoo. The moisturizing lotion is still floral, but it didn't seem as aggressive this time. Almost like I could smell like a natural butter. It does have like shea butter and things in it. So one of those butters are coming through along with the floral and it dialed it down a little bit. So I applied that, worked it through with a comb, and then started to go in with the curl maker gel on top. I combed through the moisturizing lotion with the foam just to make sure that that moisturizing lotion was really coating every strand. This is also still one of my favorite products in the line. If there was two things I told you to get, it's the clarifying shampoo and the moisturizing lotion. If you had to choose only one, get the moisturizing lotion. And I say that because in my arsenal, I have two favorite leave-ins, and this is like a perfect middleman. Then I went in with my curl maker gel in sections and brushed it through. I used 1 pump of gel on each section you see me doing here. And I know the internet shows you guys always, or educators tell you guys, gel then foam. I find that foam then gel works best for me. You end up using less gel because that foam really saturates the hair along with the water and spreads through. I can say that this product line, the Doux Press Play collection specifically, if you are a straight natural or if you want a fire silk press every here and there and you do it at home, this could be a great product line for you. Glad I listened to my friend when I posted the shorts and Instagram reel saying to try these products again on soaking wet hair to see how they truly perform because I have a great wash and go with no residue. So I highly recommend that you guys try this product line or both of these product lines. And that is today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts, questions, comments, you want to challenge what I've told you because you are a beehiver, drop some bees in the comments. And I'll see you next time.